Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get Windows 11 on your new PC. First, you have these requirements to run your Windows 11 on your computer. You need to at least 1 GHz or faster or 2 more cores with the Microsoft approved CPU list 8 Gen or new version, and you can use AMD version also, and at least 4 GB of RAM usage, otherwise it will be lag on your computer, and 64 GB of storage, and UEFI support should be on your motherboard, and secure boot capability. And there is a necessary requirements as a TPM, but we can bypass that using some methods. I will show you how to do that. And you need to graphic driver that is support DirectX 12, and you need to 720p or high definition display, and you need to internet connection for install the process. Okay, once all the requirements are fulfilled, you need to go to your browser, go to address bar, type Windows 11 download and hit enter. Go to the first option, that is Microsoft website. So there are three options here: Windows 11 installation assistant. This one help to, if you are using Windows 10 latest version, you can directly upgrade to Windows 10 to Windows 11 using this installation assistant. So you can download now and use that for upgrade to your Windows 10 to Windows 11. And if you has latest computer that is no installation in there, you can use the create Windows 11 installation media. This will help to create the bootable USB or directly create ISO file. You just need to tap on download now. So you can see now it is download. It is around 10 megabytes. Once it is downloaded, you will be able to find it is like this. Double tap on it to install that one. Tap on yes. You can see it is get the things ready. Wait for the process completed. Okay, now you can see license terms. Scroll down and read the license term and tap on accept option. Okay, now it is ask for your language and edition. You can untick this one and change this information. So I like to this information keep as it is. Then after tap on next. So you have the two options. Either you can create a USB flash drive directly from using this tool, and you can create ISO file. If you create USB file, you have to put the USB drive into your computer at least 8 GB. Then after tap on next. And if you need to create ISO file that can use further installations, you can tap on ISO file. Then after tap on next. So you can choose anyone. Then after tap on next. So you can select your location that should be installed ISO file. Then after choosing your location, tap on open, tap on save. You can see it is downloading right now. So once it is completed, you can use that for install the Windows. So I am going to, okay, I close that one because I don't need that right now. You can see there is another option was there, that is third one, download Windows disk image file. This is a ISO file. You can create the same ISO file using this one also. Previously I told you how to do that. And otherwise you can directly download ISO file from here. You just need to select the ISO file, tap on download now, wait for complete the verification. Okay, you can choose the language. I like to use English and confirm. Now tap on 64-bit download. Okay, you can see it is downloading right now, 5.4 GB. Wait for the download complete. Okay, once it is downloaded, again you need to open browser. You need to software for download, install that in your pen drive, that is called Rufus. Download and hit enter. Tap on the first option, scroll down and choose the stable standard version. Tap on it. You can see now it is downloading. Once it is downloaded, double tap on it, tap on yes on the pop-up menu. Okay, now you need to you can see there is no device is selected because I don't insert the pen drive. Now I am going to insert my pen drive to my computer. Okay, now it is inserted. Okay, you can see my device is now visible here. Then you need to tap on select option. You have to select Windows 11 ISO file you just downloaded. Then tap on open. and you need to wait for the scanning image. While it is scanning, you have to check other things. You need to find your partition scheme. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to disk management, choose your disk you are planning to install the Windows. In my case, I like to use my SSD, that is this one. Right click on it, tap on properties, go to volumes option, check the partition style. In my case, it is GPT. In your case, it should be MBR or GPT. So remember this one. Then after close this one, change the partition scheme according to your computer. In my case, it is GPT. Now tap on start. This is the important part. If your computer is not supported TPM 2.0, that means you have old version, you have not 8 gen processor, you have 6 or 4 gen processor. You have to tick this one like this. Other things are not necessary. Make sure to tick this one. Tap on OK. Then you can see there is a warning message. Tap on yes. Now it is start to partition and install the Windows 11 on your USB drive. Once it is completed, you can use that one for install the Windows. Okay, so these are the method you can try to get the Windows 11 on your computer. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.